All right. So in this example, we're given the set B of these 2 by 2 matrices, which each element has 2, 1, 1. The second element is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. The third element is, you can see here, 0, 1, negative 1, 1. And the fourth element is 5, 1, 4, 3. And so we're asked to determine if this set is linearly independent. Okay. So the first thing is to put it into a form that we can utilize the tools of algebra that we've been exploring so far. And so there's a handy theorem that allows us to change the form of this set of matrices into, basically another matrix. Okay. So if we look at the set of matrices with the form Eij, where I is running along the rows and j is running along the columns, okay, we can express that system of this form. Okay. So there's our matrix, and so now we need to check the determinant of this matrix, and we find that the determinant is 0. Since the determinant is 0, that implies that the set of vectors, each one of these being a column vector of the matrix, these are not linearly independent. So the original set of matrices is therefore not linearly independent, which is what we wanted to show. All right. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.